The third possible configuration of the Virtel product is referred to as Virtel Web Integration. It is used to create interactive bidirectional connections between mainframe and server-based applications through web, message, or email services. So you remember this diagram showing the screen interface converted by Virtel into a web message or email services interface. It is done using custom developed scenarios and templates and is referred to as Virtel Web Integration. Now, what we didn't see in the prior diagram is the many different ways in which Virtel can interface with mainframe application programs. Virtel can interface with transaction programs such as CICS or IMS via Vitam SNA, EXCI, which is IBM's cross-memory, a super-fast monodirectional Sysprotect proprietary cross-memory pass called VXCI, and TCP/IP. It can also interface with batch programs via Virtel scenarios and a Virtel multitasking subsystem called Virtel Services or VirSV, and it can submit those batch programs for execution on the CPU or on a zip processor if they qualify for zip processing. The bottom line is that the interface between Virtel Web monetization and mainframe programs is extremely flexible. So to summarize, Virtel Web Integration integrates mainframe and web applications through agile web or message services using diverse data formats and protocols, including SOAP, RESTful, XML, JSON, MQ series, as well as email services using a dedicated SMTP server. It supports both incoming and outgoing services. It leverages the 3270 screen interface, which eliminates the need to change the mainframe application code, but it can also interface via COM areas. Two Virtel IDEs assist the services development, which makes it fast and simple. The solution is secured with end-to-end SSL encrypted connections and other IP security facilities such as SSO, MFA, RACF pass tickets, and proxy servers. But the best way to illustrate the flexibility of Virtel Web Integration is to briefly review a few of its current deployments. MFP services use Virtel Web Integration to integrate their WebSphere portal with their CICS application. FineRF use Virtel Web Integration to invoke outgoing SOAP web services from their CICS application. BNP Paribas use Virtel Web Integration to create an interactive bidirectional XML connection between their batch and web applications. Crédit Agricole used Virtel Web Integration to integrate a CICS application with a PHP server. This other customer used Virtel Web Integration to replace outdated SNA connections and 3745 controllers with modern TCP/IP connections. And those are only a handful of examples of the different types of web, message, and email services that have been implemented by our Virtel Web Integration customers. And this brings our presentation to an end.